let us decide and make a powerful Satya Sankalpa to experience oneness with Guru and Guru Parampara from Paramashiva himself on this auspicious Gurupoornima day. Just this next 4 months, this Chaturmasya from today to September 2nd on Vijayadashami, from July 10th to September 2nd, this Chaturmasya, let us be intense, do sadhana, tapas, swadhyaya, enriching. Let us all decide we will study about our Guru Parampara. The best book to know about our Guru Parampara and the glory of our Guru Parampara is the United States of Kailasa book,